Now let's start making the parrot. Round 1, make a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your right index finger twice. Insert the hook into the ring. Get your left hand ready in a yarn holding position. Yarn over and pull through to form a small loop. Make a chain, yarn over, and draw through this small loop. Now begin the first single crochet. Insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over and pull through. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, and pull through these 2 loops. The single crochet forms a V shape. Place a stitch marker for the V-shape stitch to keep track of your stitch count. Now begin the second single crochet. Insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over and pull through. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, and pull through these 2 loops. The second single crochet is finished. You can finish the remaining 4 single crochets by yourself. Let's count to see if there are 6 V-shaped stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now start tightening the magic ring. Gently pull the yarn tail. Watch carefully for the loop that moves. Pull this active yarn outward. Then firmly pull the tail to close the ring tightly. Removed the stitch marker. Slip stitch into the first stitch, where you just removed the stitch marker. Yarn over and pull through. Then, pull the first loop on the hook through the second loop. Round 1 is finished. Round 2, make a chain stitch first. Insert the hook into the stitch corresponding to the position of the loop on the hook. Make a single crochet. Place a stitch marker for the V-shape stitch to keep track of your stitch count. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Make a single crochet again. This is the first increase, which equals 2 single crochets worked into the same stitch. Insert your hook into next stitch. Make a single crochet. Make a single crochet again into the same stitch. The second increase is done. Complete the last 4 increases by yourself. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 single crochets increase completed. You can count to see if there are 12 stitches. If there's no problem, remove the stitch marker. Slip stitch into the stitch where you just removed the marker. The second round is completed. Round 3, make a chain stitch. Insert the hook into the hole corresponding to the position of the loop on the hook. Make a single crochet stitch. Place a stitch marker. Insert your hook into next V-stitch. Make a single crochet. Make a single crochet again, in the same hole. A single crochet followed by an increase counts as one set. The first set is finished. Now let's work on the second set. Make a single crochet stitch in the next V. Then insert hook into the next V. Make 2 single crochets in the same V. Second set completed. Now try completing the remaining 4 sets on your own. Don't forget to slip stitch to the first stitch when finishing each round. Round 3 completed. Round 4, make a chain stitch first. Then make a single crochet in the same stitch. Place a stitch marker. Make a single crochet increase in next stitch. Make a single crochet in next stitch. Set 1 is finished. Now, finish the remaining 5 sets. After finishing, remove the marker and make a slip stitch. Finish. Now, you can finish rounds 5 to 8 on your own. Stop when you get to the last stitch of round 8. We will switch to light blue yarn. Now only the last stitch of round 8 remains. Insert the hook into the last stitch. Yarn over, and pull through. There are 2 loops on the hook. Now take out our light blue yarn. Place the light blue yarn inside the knitted piece. Yarn over, and pull through these 2 loops. Remove the stitch marker. Make a slip stitch. Finish. Round 9, make a chain stitch. There are 28 single crochets in this round. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Place the hook under these 2 yarns. Make a single crochet. Place a stitch marker. Two, 3, 4. Now, cut the white yarn. Hide the 2 yarns inside the piece. Keep crocheting until the last stitch. Insert the hook into the last stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Take out our blue yarn. Yarn over, and pull through these 2 loops. Remove the stitch marker. Make a slip stitch. Round 9 is finished. Round 10, make a chain stitch first. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Place the hook under these 2 yarns. Make a single crochet. Place a stitch marker. Two, 3. Now, cut the light yarn. Hide the 2 yarns inside the piece. Continue crocheting until the end. Finish. Let's start attaching eyes. Between round 6 and 7, attach safety eyes. Skip 5 stitches, then attach the other one here. Finish. Rounds 11 to 14, complete by yourself, and once completed, it will be like this. Round 15, make a chain stitch first. Then make 7 single crochets. Now we'll make a decrease. Insert the hook into next V-shaped stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Now, you have 2 loops on your hook. Then, insert the hook into the next V-shaped stitch. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. So, there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 3 the loops on the hook. 1 decrease is now completed. You'll notice that a decrease uses 2 V-shaped stitches. Finish the first set, then repeat 3 times. Finally, remove the stitch marker. Make a slip stitch. Round 15 is finished. Rounds 16 and 17, try to complete by yourself. After finishing, stuff it with cotton here. Now, let's start stuffing cotton. Finish. Round 18, make a chain stitch. Make 8 decrease. After finishing, remove the stitch marker. Make a slip stitch. Pull the loop on your hook to enlarge it. Slide it over the working yarn, and pull it out. Leave an 8-inch tail and cut off the yarn. Then take the working yarn away. Time to start stitching it closed. Insert the needle under the back loop of the first V-shaped stitch, and pull the yarn through. Then, insert the needle under the front loop of the next V-shaped stitch. Continue alternating between the back loop of one stitch and the front loop of the next stitch until the end. Now, gently pull the yarn tail to close the opening tightly. Randomly insert the needle through the body 4 to 5 times to hide yarn tail. Finally, trim any excess yarn. The main body of the parrot is completed.